Hello everybody, just wanted to make a quick down and dirty video on my A1200 I have for sale on the Amiga Lounge website. This is a Commodore, as you can see, A1200 PAL unit, and it just needs to be booted into NTSC mode. It does come with an NTSC power supply. You can see that if I put the white paper here, it's a little yellowed, more down towards the bottom here, and the keys are a little yellowed. Forgive the light for not really bringing this into view a little bit better here. So, alright, so we're just going to go ahead and turn the thing on here. Now I'm just going to move the camera a little bit forward and pop up and show you it running on my 1942 monitor with the help from the special dongle thingy from Amiga Kit. The monitor too is available at my website for sale also. I find the 1942 monitors give a little bit of a nicer screen than the 1084s, but you know, that's totally subjective. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the machine here. And I'm going to hold the two mouse buttons down. So we're going to boot into SCSC mode. Display type. Use. Boot. It's got an 80 gig hard drive from Amiga Kit. It's got the Amiga Kit ROMs in it. And it's even got a, well, it's 15 months ago that I put in a brand new Amiga Kit hard drive, or floppy drive. You can see by the requester there, the IDE fix. We still don't know how to get rid of that because we cannot pay for the IDE fix. Alright. So, alright. So you see that we've got some various stuff on here. Empire systems. Into hard drive 4. And let's just pick a game here. Cannon fodder. That one's not set up. Okay, forget that. Utilities drive, what we came to see anyways. Sysinf info. And you can see we've got the 030, the Apollo 030 Mark II, and it's running at 40 megahertz. So let's get the speed test going. And you can see that it's 42.78 megahertz. So yeah, here we go. Boards and manufacturer 0, exit. So anyways, put that down for all you that want to see all that stuff, and then we quit memory. Alright, so we've got 32-bit memory and 32 megabytes and 2 megabytes chip RAM, and that's it. Exit. Quit. Alright. So let's go into Empire because that's what we were playing the most on this machine. Anyways, you get the idea. So that again is on my for sale on my store at store.amigalounge.com. No need for www in front of it. And thanks and have a good day.